Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Finlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin.
So for those of you who haven't met me before, I work with entrepreneurs and small business people, and I work with them around the concept of increasing their productivity and increasing their creativity and increasing their overall well-being by using their space and the world around them. So today I wanted to talk to you about the gift in self-prescribing our space medicine. So as entrepreneurs, so many of us are all over the fact that if we don't nurture and feed our bodies, that we serve less and that we're less productive. G'day guys, we're less productive, we're less efficient and we're less creative. But one thing that I have noticed is there's many of us that still haven't taken the leap to working out, just like we can fill our week with yoga or with running or with surrounding ourselves in the people, the 5 people. Everyone would have heard about that, surrounding yourself in the people that uplift you. So many entrepreneurs and so many people in leadership and in small business have really gotten a great hold of that. So they're all over the fact that if they exercise and they surround themselves in wonderful people, that it's going to onflow from their business. To their business, sorry. But one thing that I really notice is people haven't gotten to that level yet when it comes to space medicine. So I'll often go into a workspace or to work with an entrepreneur and we'll be discussing issues of natural light, issues of bringing and connecting with nature, issues around or concepts around color and sound and smell and all these sorts of things. And a lot of the time they will say, well, I just can't have it in this space. So the thing I wanted to talk to you guys about today is actually seeking it out. And so that's right, I mean being mobile. One of the ways and one of the cheapest ways and one of the easiest ways that you can prescribe yourself self-prescribing space medicine is actually to seek it out. So what might that look like? That might simply include going and your next blog article that you write, you may dick that into the notes on your iPhone while you're walking. You may dictate that into DragonSpeak or another transcribing software whilst you're at the beach. Or you may even just dictate it into voice memos and send it off to a VA to be written. So we don't need to, in an ideal world, we'd surround ourselves in space medicine every single day. But it's not always practical or achievable. So what I want you to think about today is I want you to work out when you most need space medicine. Is it when you're writing? Is it when you're planning? Is it when you're doing everyday tasks? When is it that you need it most? And then I want you to work out if you're not able to bring space medicine in a huge way, in an impactful way into your workspace, let's work out where your space medicine is. Is it at the beach? Is it bushwalking? Is it sitting looking at an amazing view? Or is it in an amazing bustling and hustling street where you get to see people and culture and movement? Where's your space medicine? And then basically each week visit that place that gives you your medicine. Doesn't mean that you can't work in that space. Nowadays, entrepreneurs can work far and wide. We don't need to be in an office. So instead of staying in whatever office you may have created, think long and hard about where to find your space medicine and go get it. Self-prescribing is the best way. Thanks heaps for listening, guys. And if you would like to know more about space medicine, if it's the first you've heard of it, please head over to naomifinlay.com/space medicine series. There is a free video series there for you to give you a bit more of the basics of space medicine and how they can nurture and grow you and your business every single day. So thanks for listening. Bye.